Honda CL250 is a new retro-type scrambler motorcycle with core similar body design and counter-cycle parts from Rebel 250 also carries similar styling, aesthetics and ergonomics. It gets an engine displacement of 249cc 4-valve liquid-cooled fuel-injected DOHC single-cylinder motor mated to 6-speed gearbox assistant slipper clutch nestled inside diamond-packed steel tube frame. It dishes out maximum power of 26 PS at 9,500 revolutions per minute and 22 nanometers at 7,750 revolutions per minute of torque max. It gets full LED lights, round-shaped turn blinker, full HD negative type display, sporty scrambler type and upswept exhaust. Twin tires are 110 ATS, 19 wide. 150, 70-17 sit rear. Front gets single 296mm disc and 220mm disc rear with dual channel ABS. 172 kg weight with fuel tank capacity of 12 liters. The 41mm diameter upright forks installed seem to have a 150mm stroke volume. The rear has a 45mm diameter pipe swing arm with a 2-position suspension. Payload adjustment is 5-step with 1 low and 3 high. And radial tires are mounted on the front and rear. Available in candy energy orange, pearl inlays white, and pearl cadet gray. A seat height of 790mm, up 100mm from the Rebel 250 to the CL250's height was increased to ensure off-road performance as well, requiring a longer suspension stroke in addition to the 19-inch front wheels.